Perfect.
How's it going today out there in YouTube land? You are here with Flippin' Mike, and today's episode we are working on the free Yamaha Exciter 2 snowmobile. So, I got a lot of the wiring buttoned up. Show that in the video, or maybe skip all that stuff. I don't know. We got a box of goodies down here to finish it up. I have to replace the recoil cord right here, so I'm going to pull that all out, show you how that's done. We're going to replace the recoil cord, and then I gotta pull some scrap so I can make a seat frame for this seat. So I don't know exactly what's getting done in this video, but we're gonna get some stuff done. It's been a while. I was waiting on my part. So I finally got my little part, this little guy right here, which is the pipe joint. Right there, it's got two little P9s on it, 1, 2 for the oiler lines. This is the one I ordered before. It has no P9s for oiler lines. So I couldn't see the backside, all I could see was the front and the little tube, like so. Front, little tube, like so. So I went the cheap way, had to wait longer to get the right part. But I'll keep this little guy, it was only like $5, so whatever. Doesn't matter. But yeah, we are going to get to work, party time, excellent. So we have to remove, we don't have to remove the exhaust on this thing if I remember right, to get this out of here, but we do have to remove, there is a bolt here, 1, 2, and then around on this case there's some more, 3, 4, yeah, I think there is 4 of these little guys. There's 2 on top, 2 on the bottom side right down here, and yep. So what happens is the rope is rubbing on something in here. I've replaced this one a few times. This one does have electric start. But I'm going to check out the inside, this recoil mechanism, or this whole casing, housing. And I'll probably end up running like a wide brake line or some tubing to run up around the recoil all the way up to where it pulls up here, just so it doesn't rub on anything anymore and continue to brake. So I've replaced it quite a bit and not used it very much. So we're going to see what we can do about getting that where it doesn't rub. And then we just got to pull this old cord through, drop a new cord in here, drop it right down that little hole. There's a little trick to it I'll show you here in a minute. Alright, you get your string pulled out as far as you can. Right here, the broken one. Then you see that little knot right there? You grab that little dude with a needle nose or anything you can. We are going to get our string pulled out as far as we can. I don't even undo this back nut right here. If the spring's good inside here and it's just a rope, it's a pretty easy replacement. So you see that little black knot in there? We want to get at that little sucker with something like this. And we want to pull that little guy out. Right? This is all jumbled up here, so we were probably going to end up having to cut, or I'll straighten it out. This was a pain in the butt to get out. There we go. So look how easy that was. Boom, we got the old one out. Fire, fire, fire. See? See, pretty simple. And just tie it up a couple times. Make us a nice knot. It can't pull through. Pull a little sucker down in there. You see how nice that works? Boo, 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 boo. Next step is winding it. So what we do to wind this, use your pick, whatnots. Let's get up in here. Pull this up like this. Looks like it works to me. Boom. Okay. We're gonna leave us plenty of slack up here now. I did not bring down my knife. Boom. So that, guys, is how you rewind the recoil. Alright, y'all, this might be a little unconventional, but somewhere between down here where the recoil meets up and up here where it's got its little grabber, this recoil is getting snagged up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of fuel line right here, and I'm going to cut a length of it. I'm going to run it through here at the size that I need. I'm going to cut it. And it's going to run right up to here, right up this little eyelet. Right inside here. That little guy right there. And it does fit right in that little eyelet. Perfect. So we're going to have a piece of fuel line protecting our pull cord. So hopefully that should stop our issues with this pull cord. So, all right. Check it. Oh, yo! The recoil housing is reinstalled. Nice and tight. And from that, I don't know if you can really see it very well, but down here, now there's a tube that runs up right there. It's just a piece of gas line, real thick gas line that I used all the way up here. So when the pull cord comes out, it's running straight through that tube. So hopefully we cured any rubbing issues. So that's good. So now all we have to do is install this handle, which I have plenty of excess string pull cord here to run through the handle. Basically the same thing. I always leave extra pull cord though. So when we run it through, it can sit really nice in here. So you want to pull it a little bit taut and then tie it off. And then that, folks, is done for rebuilding the recoil, solving problems. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Flipping Mike. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what else you want to see. Until the next video, stay country, have your pets spayed and neuter. I'm Flipping Mike, and I will see you on the next video. Yee-yee!